Told my girl to pipe down.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Got this package delivered today from our good friends at Super Clean, and I just want to show you guys what we have in here. All right, so aside from all of the awesome goodness they sent my way, this letter, I think this is one of their newer products that they've sent. This is their floor absorbent. It just absorbs spills that happen, you know, as you're maybe changing your oil or doing some different things. We'll take a good job of taking care of the spills. They sent one of my favorite products that I've been using for a while, and it's the Super Clean. This is actually the aerosol can. It foams up really good, but I'll show you guys in action what this is like. But really my favorite product of the Super Clean lineup. And they also sent just some different spray of the Super Clean. So super grateful for them for sending that. And then I also have their all wheel cleaner, which I haven't tried. I'm actually super excited to try this. I've heard it foams really well. I actually believe this is an acid-based wheel cleaner. But it does a really good job from what I've seen on all the different reviews, so excited to try this out. And they also sent me, I believe, their foaming degreaser. So honestly, this is awesome. Look at all these products they sent. So really thank you to Super Clean. They're an amazing company. Their products are really affordable, and they actually do an amazing job. You can get these at Walmart. You can get them pretty much just about anywhere. The auto parts stores, they're just readily available for use, and the pricing is really good on them. And so I'll leave a link in the description below of all the different products and where you can get them. Huge shout out to Super Clean. Thank you, Kim McLam, for sending me all of this awesome swag. T-shirt here, how well you guys can see it, and the hat. So thank you for sending this my way. Thank you for sending all the amazing products that I will be actually giving a good test today on to see how well they perform. So thank you, huge shout out to you guys, and really appreciate you sharing this with me. Okay, so today I'm actually going to be using my neighbor's Toyota Tundra. I kind of have secretly looked at it from a distance, and I think I can do a good job in helping him clean his wheels, clean up a few things on the car. So the demonstrations you're going to be seeing today, we're going to use the wheel cleaner, obviously on the wheels. We're going to use some of the degreaser sprays on the tires, because as you can see from the pictures that I'll be showing and clips, the tires have really browned quite a bit from just not having dressings on there or from not being cleaned, and so I'm excited to use some of that on there. I'm also going to be cleaning out an engine bay with their degreaser as well as inside the wheel wells. We're going to be cleaning those out too. So with all of these amazing products, it's so hard for me just to go, oh, I want to clean everything. But to keep the video somewhat short, I'll try and put a kind of a fast forward clip on this for you guys, speed it up a little bit so you guys don't have to just sit through me just kind of cleaning through everything. One other recommendation, I wanted to get to doing this, but you can actually clean your floor mats with the degreaser. Actually works really well. I just didn't get time to doing it on the truck. I also use the degreaser to be able to take out some of the stains on my rags when I'm cleaning my wheels or different things. So before I throw it in the wash, I actually put the degreaser on there to try and pull some of those stains out. So guys, Super Clean, amazing brand. Thank you again, and we'll jump into today's video. We're going to be using one of my favorite products, the Super Clean degreaser. This is the aerosol can. I'm going to speed this up really fast for you guys, but you guys can see I like to apply this to a dry tire. I did do several coats on this tire, but it did an amazing job at breaking down what I thought was a really dirty, kind of stained tire, and just went over it with a brush. I think I ended up doing this 3 or 4 times just to make sure I got all of it off before I applied dressing. But as you guys can see, if you look down at the ground, it really removed a ton of the brown and gunk that was on the tire, and I was super happy with what I saw from the results from doing this. And honestly, it's really easy to do. Just spray on, rinse off. You guys can see all the dirt and grime and everything that's coming off of there. And yeah, I just continued to go around this, just make sure that it was really clean. I did apply multiple coats, and as you can see, it stays a little bit wider each time that I would do it. That typically means that the solution has worked. It's taken off a lot of the product, but when it quickly browns, you kind of know there's still quite a bit there. All right, so just went over this wheel. Actually went over this wheel a few times. This is with the Super Clean wheel cleaner, and it actually does a really good job of foaming. I really like its foaming capabilities, and I just tried to clean these the best I could with my detailing brush. But like I said, I went over them a few times. I do like that the product kind of sticks to things really well. We'll go ahead and rinse these off, and we'll see what's left over. So in looking over the rims, I kind of just, tested a few spots to see how clean or dirty it was. It did a pretty good job. Honestly, I still like the Americana Global wheel cleaner better. I did go over these a few times actually before I showed this footage. But yeah, there's still quite a bit on there for me, especially after going over it with a brush, but still really good product for the money. In the upcoming clips, I'm just going to show you guys really quick. You can use these for your wheel wells. You can use it to clean your engine bay. And you can also use it really well on your floor mat. So I'll just cruise through these next clips really quick, but these are just a few different ways you can use the products. So just a quick note on the engine bay here. I actually wish I had some of the aerosol degreaser spray. You might have seen a little bit of kind of white foam on there. That's what was kind of just squirting out as I was trying to use that. But that would be my preferred method because it clings onto the surface really well. But the great thing about Super Clean's products is they kind of have something that does a little bit of everything. So I just used the regular liquid degreaser from Super Clean. It did a great job at cleaning this up. I'll kind of show you guys here in just a second what it looks like after that, and then I'll just show you guys a quick review of the truck after cleaning it and how it looks, and then I'll just kind of give you my final overview on what I think of the products.
Told my girl to pipe down, need it right now. Lately I've been going till the lights out. Got my face up and my eyes down.
Okay, so my thoughts after using some of the products, they work amazing for the price. They are terrific. The aerosol can is my favorite, just how it foams. It is the best for just kind of getting gunk off of tires. And I think you guys saw how much I was able to remove off of there. It shocked me how well it worked. The wheel and tire cleaner I think is good, but I've actually had some wheel and tire cleaners that are just a little bit better, but for the price, it's really hard to argue when it comes to value and using it. But you can see from the video, I wasn't able to get everything off of the wheels that I wanted to. Products are amazing and they're very affordable. Big shout out to Super Clean. Thank you guys for being an awesome brand and for working with me to bring content to my viewers. If you guys have any other tips or tricks on how you use Super Clean or what their favorite products are, please leave a comment below. I'd love to hear how you guys are using the products. But honestly, great company, great products, and thank you guys for tuning in, and we'll catch you on another video.